What's up, folks? We are out here in downtown Toronto today. We're about to check out one of Toronto's newest entertainment districts. It's called The Well, and we're at the intersection of Spadina and Front Street, and you can see that right in front of us right here. 482 Front Street West. And you can see they have some brand new condos here. I'm here with Dorothy as usual, wifey of the year as usual. I believe you could get into the Well through here as well, but it's basically a collection of shops, eateries, things to do. There's a Shopify head office here as well. You can see the CN Tower in the distance, and we're just across the street from the GO train lines, Toronto's main train lines from Union Station, and that takes you all over the province. You can get trains to Ottawa, to Montreal, to Kitchener, to Windsor, and so on. But yeah, let's see what the Well is like. Let's check it out, and we'll show you guys what's up. Let's go. They have an outpost of Crumble Cookies here, a popular cookie chain in the States. Bike share on the exterior. So as it turns out, folks, Toronto Blue Jays just lost the World Series 4-3 to the Los Angeles Dodgers last night. So the city is in mourning right now. We're in mourning. We thought they would do it, but they weren't able to get it over the line. I believe we lost 5-4 in the end. But yeah, Toronto folks are still thankful for the Blue Jays getting this far. Baseball in November is unheard of in this city, not since 1993. We just came up to the entrance here. They have an Adidas store as you walk in. A couple of escalators going up to the second floor. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like an indoor-outdoor mall. It's pretty cool. I know they do have condominiums on the top. See an RBC Bank on the top floor on the right over here, and just beside us here we're passing by a Sephora. On this side we have an outlet of Structube. This is one of Dorothy's favorite stores. She gets to blow the budget. They do have some really nice furniture inside Structube though. A table here for $6.49. So it leads out to this rear entrance, and we'll give you a good shot of what it looks like just in this area. This is the West Avenue entrance. Let's head downstairs and see what they got. So that's the entrance out to Front Street again. So we'll head down this direction. They do have elevators and escalators here as well. And then in here, it appears to be a little food market. They have an outlet of Chatime, Mado. So that section is called Wellington Market. So let's go check that out right now. Alright, this is what it looks like inside Wellington Market. On our right we have BHC Chicken. Over here we have Isabella's. They have mochi donuts here. Is it mochi or maki?
Mochi.
Mochi? Okay. Balloon shop. Cupcake area here. Panda pancakes. Serving up some pancakes. Over here they have Uncle Tetsu's Japanese pancakes, which is a popular staple here in Toronto. Got some washrooms and an escalator down there. Over here they have Pokeworks. There's some Japanese poke bowls. Shake therapy here if you want your milkshake, gourmet. They even have some stalls over on this side as well. Big fat cookies, bagels on fire. Let's see what they got down here. Down here they have cookies, which looks like a seafood spot. Yep, fish and chips, haddock, cod and chips. Beside that we got Szechuan. Chinese food. Down here we got dorahi. Right here we got samosari for samosas. Got a ramen spot right here called Ramen Ryu. Over here we got La Cubana for some nice Cuban sandwiches. And then a little Caribbean spot right here. We got a lobster spot down here called Blue Claw Lobster. Chicken spot. Rosie's Hamburgers and Chapa Dog. Let's see what's down here. We're heading down to more food. In this section we have beer steak. They got some sandwiches here. Original steak sandwich will run you 20 bucks. A roast pork sandwich, 16. Cheeseburgers are 15 here. And this is inside the Well in Toronto, one of Toronto's newest indoor-outdoor entertainment districts. And we got a spot here called National. They have bowling plus food. All fun and games, as you can see. Got a salad spot here called Lily Salads. Nashville hot chicken spot. The Carvery. Serving up some proper food. This is where we're at, Wellington Market, at the Well in Toronto. Here's a list of all the spots they have in this food market in the basement of the Well. We're gonna head back outside and head up to the third floor and see what they got up there. Let's go. Got a little supermarket in here called Little Harvest Fresh Market. And just at the entrance slash exit that leads out to Spadina and Front Street, they have this coffee spot right here. And we're just gonna hop on the escalator and see what the third floor has to offer. We're back at the entrance that we started at. Dorothy got some honey madeleines, which she's already started partaking of. We've now arrived on the third floor, and just on our left is a Warner Brothers music group. Warner Music Canada. That's pretty cool. And you can see just to our left, down to the first and the ground floors. We are still inside the Well. To my right here, it says leads to the Wells Terrace. Pretty cool spot. Reminds me of Brickell City Center Mall in Miami, but obviously much colder. Just walking by an Azure outlet here, department store it looks like. Over on my right, you can see like a co-working space. Looking down to the second and the first floors. We got a yoga and Pilates spot right here. Another coffee spot. Pretty interesting spot they have here in downtown Toronto. Got a spot across the way there called Arcadia Earth. Not sure what that is. If you guys know, you can put it in the comments down below. And you can see the condominiums just up here. You can see between the glass spacings. So you could live here, work here, dine here, play. There's entertainment, bowling spot down in the basement called National. And they have some new condominiums going up over there. Toronto is like the city of condos. I've never seen a city in love with glass condos like this one. Definitely really nice architecture. And that's the direction that we're coming from. Let's give you a clearer look. And you can see the roof is pretty unique, definitely quite tasteful. So that's pretty much it, folks. We're at the end of the line. We just wanted to come and check it out, see what it's like here at the Well in Toronto. Brand new, not brand new, I mean it's been here for a minute now. It's been built recently. Pretty cool. We like the architecture, stuff to do. There's bowling. There's a food market area called Wellington Market, which is just on the ground floor. They have a ton of eateries. Definitely worth a visit if you're visiting Toronto. There's shopping. You could come here, have some fun. And yeah, you're at the heart of the action, close to Scotiabank Arena, close to Ripley's Aquarium. So yeah, come check it out. We're just down right at the intersection of Spadina and Front Street here in downtown Toronto. We're gonna wrap up the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe to the channel or leave a like on the video to show your support. And we're out. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.